Hello everyone, this is Catherine. We are under a wind warning where it can go up to 100 kilometers an hour from now until about 3 a.m. tomorrow morning. And as you can hear, it's really raining. We've seen lightning and thunder, heard thunder. I just wanted to share this. I don't know if you heard that. And there's the clouds. And yes, we're in a new place. We love it. Glad to get out of the bed bug, cockroach infested, other bug infested things. Oh, I don't know if you heard that. That's thunder, guys, folks. That's thunder. Slum of a place where our landlord slandered our names and everything else. And as you can see, it is windy. Not 100 kilometers windy yet, but it is windy. Just I make this quick little video to tell you what's happening weather-wise. And if anything else comes up, still thundering. Like I said, if anything else comes up, if it gets even windier than it is now or something, or if the thunderstorm gets worse, I will be back on. Ta-ta for now.